Good morning to all. In last class, we have been discussed with the budgetary control 15 marks problem. That exercise 15 we have been discussed. That is belonging to budgetary control. Then in budgetary control, flexible budget we have been discussed in the last class. Then now I am going to solve exercise 2 of page number 392. That also flexible budget. I'll read out problem what they have been exactly given, what the examiner is asking. Then drop a flexible budget. Exercise 2, page number 392. Drop a flexible budget for overhead expenses on the basis of the following data at 70%, 80%, and 90% capacity, and determine the overhead rates. Then in last problem, they have been asked only for calculation of total cost. Here in addition to that, they are asking determine the overhead recovery rates. Overhead recovery rates or overhead rates. How we are calculating? Then total cost of the percentage of the output. Means for example 70%, 80, 90, 100. Whatever may be the kind of percentage, total cost of that percentage divided by total labor hours. If labor hours not given, calculate the labor hours based on the given percentage. Then here one by one we have to discuss. Remember, calculate the total cost as well as overhead rate also. This is also for 15 marks. The given percentage in heading they have been given at 80% capacity, means all the expenditure of the problem they have been given for 80%. You need to calculate different percentages what they have been asked in the examination. Then variable overhead, first they have been given indirect labor, indirect material, then semi-variable overhead. If bifurcation they have been given in the problem, according to that bifurcation only you should have to segregate. First fixed expenditure, second heading semi-variable, last variable expenditure. If nothing have been given, particular common expenditure they have been given as a list, then you need to bifurcate which is going to first heading, which is going to second, which is going to third. Here separate bifurcation they have been given, variable overhead, then semi-variable overhead, fixed overhead. Three things they have been given. Out of in variable overhead, indirect labor and indirect material. Semi-variable overhead, some part fixed, some part variable. Then percentage they have been given, power 30% fixed, it is assumed to be 70% is variable. Then repairs and maintenance 60% fixed, remaining 40% is variable. Then fixed expenditure, fixed overhead, depreciation, rent and rates, insurance, then expenditure, sundry expenses. Estimated direct labor hours 2,48,000. Estimated direct labor hours for 80% capacity. They have been given for 80%. In heading only, drop a flexible budget for overhead expenditure on the basis of the following data at 70%, 80% and 90. They have been asked for 70, 80 and 90, but 80 given. 80 given means 70 and 90 you need to calculate. Ascertainment of total cost for 70% and for 90%, 80% given. Anyhow, what those people are giving in the question, that is that column also you have to prepare. Then with that ascertainment of 70 and 90%, here main focus is for 70% and 90%, 80% they have been given. Let us, we have to start one by one. Then exercise 2, page number 392, flexible budget heading. Then particulars, first column. Next, level of output. In level of output there are again three columns are there: 70%, 80% and 90%. First heading, then here first heading fixed expenses. First heading fixed expenditure. In that fixed expenditure, according to the given thing, depreciation. Already we have been discussed, the fixed expenditure remain constant irrespective of level of capacity, either 70, 80 or 100, whatever it may be. Then here first depreciation 60,000, for all it is 60,000. Depreciation 60,000. here also 60, last also 60,000. For all it is 60,000. Next, rent and rates 18,000. Rent and rates 18,000. For all it is 18,000. Last column also 18,000. Then after that, insurance 6,000 they have been given. This also fixed expenditure. Insurance 6,000 given. Fixed expenditure insurance 6,000. Here also 6,000. Last also 6,000. That also common expenditure, fixed nature. Next, sundry expenditure 60,000 they have been given. That also fixed nature. Sundry expenses 60,000. Sundry expenditure 60,000 they have been given. Then first column 60,000. Second column also 60,000. Last column also 60,000. Then first 60,000 rupees depreciation, 18,000 rupees rent and rates, then insurance 6,000, sundry expenditure 60,000. Total 4 points they have been given. 4 expenditure, 4 kinds of expenditure they have been given as a fixed expenditure. Then nothing left with fixed expenditure. Only 4 things they have been given. We have been taken. Then total of the 4 things 1,44,000. Then make the total, name the total as A, 1,44,000. Here also 1,44,000. Here also 1,44,000. Then make the name as total A. Next, come to the second point, semi-variable expenses in second heading. Number 2, semi-variable expenditure. Semi-variable expenses. Here 2 expenses they have been given according to the problem. Power expenses 30% fixed, remaining 70% is variable. Then repairs and maintenance 60% fixed, means remaining 40% is variable. Then for that you need to calculate with workings. Then here first expenditure, power 30% fixed as they have been given. Power, then here 30% fixed they have been given. Then 70% is variable, that is understood. 30% is fixed, 70% is for variable. Then 30% and 70%, 1,20,000 rupees given. Total 1,20,000 rupees. Total 1,20,000 rupees. Out of that 30% is fixed, 70% is variable. That is not for 70%, that is for 80% capacity. For 80% capacity, 30% is fixed. 30% is fixed, nothing but 1,20,000 into 30%, 36,000. Then again 1,20,000 into 70% capacity, it comes to 84,000. Then here 36,000 and 84,000. Both things or both two together is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 not for 70 and not for 90. It is for 80% capacity. Then 30% fixed they have been given. It is understood that 70% is variable. Then 1,20,000 into 30%, 36,000. 1,20,000 into 70% is 84,000. Then now you should have to calculate how much it is for 70%, how much it is for 90%. But before that, fixed 30%, 36,000 is fixed. As we have been discussed, the nature of fixed expenditure remain constant, means 36,000 for 70% also 36,000 only, for 90% also 36,000 only, there is no change. But for 84,000 means 70% of variable, you need to go with working notes. You need to calculate working note. The first working note number 1, calculation of semi-variable expenses. Then here, working note 1, calculation of semi-variable expenses. Calculation of semi-variable expenses. Here, 70 percentage, 80 and 90 percentage. Here, 70 percentage, 80 percentage, then 90 percentage. 80 percentage. Only go with 70 percentage variable. That only you should have to calculate. Then here, this is power. Then what those people are telling, 70 percentage. Then 70 percentage of power is variable nature. Then that comes to 84,000. 84,000. Then what is for 70 percentage? Then what is for 90 percentage? You need to calculate for that. Then here 84,000, base is 80 percentage. Base is not a 70 and not a 90 percent. Base is 80 percentage. Here 84,000 into, we need to calculate for 70 divided by base is 80. Here 84,000 again we want 90 divided by base is 80 percentage. Base is 80. Then 84,000 into 70 divided by 80 percentage. Then 73,500. Then again 84,000 into, we want 90 percentage. 90 divided by 80. 94,500. 94,500. Then come to next second. Then here fill it up. 73,500. Here 94,500 rupees. 94,500. Again come to the second point. Then repairs and maintenance. Here second semi-variable expenses, repairs and maintenance. Then what the problem is telling, 60 percentage fixed, means 60 percentage does not change. 60 percentage fixed. Then remaining is 40 percentage variable. 60 percentage fixed and 40 percentage variable for 80 percentage capacity. They have been given. Then what is the total expenditure? 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees into 60 percentage. 12,000 rupees into 60 percentage you need to calculate. Then here 7,200. 12,000 into 60 percentage, 7,200. Then 12,000 into 40 percentage, remaining 40 percentage, this is 4,800. 4,800. Then total of these two are 12,000. 12,000 for 80 percentage capacity. Then remember one thing, 60 percentage fixed remain constant irrespective of capacity. Then for 80 percentage 7,200. For 70 percentage also 7,200. For 90 percentage also 7,200. Then next 80 percentage, then 40 percentage is variable for 80 percentage capacity. Then we'll go with working note. Come to the working note. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance 4,800. 4,800. Here in bracket 4,800 into, we need 70 percentage. The base is 80. Then here 4,800. We need 90 percentage out of 80, means 80 percentage is a base. Then here according to the calculation 4,200 and 5,400. 4,200 here 5,400. Fill it up. 4,200 5,400. This is about semi-variable expenditure. Then make the total of semi-variable expenditure 1,20,900. Here make the total. Then this is total B 1,20,900. Then total of 80% capacity 1,32,000. The last total of 90% 1,43,100. 1,43,100. This is for this is a total of semi-variable expenditure. Next, come to the third thing, third point, third heading, variable expenses. Variable expenditure. Then in variable expenditure, again two items are there: indirect labor and indirect material. Indirect labor and indirect material. Then indirect labor, the given amount for 80% capacity. Remember, every time 72,000 in second column, 72,000. Then indirect material, the indirect material is 24,000. Then this is for 80% capacity. We need to calculate with workings how much is for 70 and how much is for 90%. That much only. Come to the working note number 2. This is working note 2. Calculation of variable expenses. Then in that, again 70%, here 80%, here 90%. Then first indirect labor. Then indirect labor, the given is for 72,000 for 80%, 72,000 here in bracket 70. If it is 72,000 for 80%, what we want? 70 out of 80. Base is 80. Here again 72,000 into 90 divided by 80. 80% is the base. Then calculate 72,000 into 70 divided by 80. Then here this will come 63,000. 63,000. Again 72,000 into 90 divided by 80. Then comes to rupees 81,000. Here again indirect material, second item, indirect material. The given indirect material is 24,000. 24,000 in bracket 24,000 into, we want 70 out of 80. Here 24,000 into 90 divided by 80. 90% we want. Then 24,000 into 70 divided by 80. 21,000. Then again 24,000 into 90 divided by 80. This is 27,000. Here fill it up. Then first indirect labor for 70% it is 63,000. For 90% it is 81,000. Next 24,000 rupees. Second expenditure for 70% it is 21,000. For 90% it is 27,000. Next, make the total of variable expenditure. Last point. Then total C. This is total C. Then total C is 84,000. 96,000. 1,08,000. Total of C 84,000 variable expenditure total for 70%. For 80% it is 96,000. For 90% it is 1,08,000. Then here total cost in bracket A plus B plus C. Total cost A plus B plus C. Then make the total of A, B and C. A 1,44,000, B 1,20,900, C 84,000, 3,48,900. 3,48,900. Then next 80% total 1,44,000 plus 1,32,000 plus 96, 3,72,000. 3,72,000. Next last 1,44,000, 1,43,100, 1,08,000. Then total is 3,95,100. 3,95,100. If it is a case, if sales given for all level of capacity, then need to calculate the profit. If sales is more than the cost, then profit. If cost is more than the sales, there is a loss. One more thing they have been asked in the problem, calculation of overhead rates. Overhead rate, then based upon this you should have to calculate. Then here write down overhead rate, last column wise, overhead rate. For 70% it is different, for 80% it is different, for 90% also it is different. Then overhead rates we need to calculate. Then with working notes, then come to the working note number 3. Working note 3. Calculation of overhead rates. Then at the time of calculation of overhead rates, how we have to calculate? Overhead rate is equals to total cost divided by total labor hours. Then total cost for here what we are calculating, overhead rate for 70% also calculate, for 80% also calculate, for 90% also calculate. Then they have been given in the problem, estimated labor hour rates are 2,48,000. Estimated labor hour for 2,48,000 is for 80% capacity. Then estimated first total cost we have been got, total cost for 70%, total cost for 80%, total cost for 90%. Then here for 70%, it is for first 70% is equals to total cost of 70% is 3,48,900. Then here 3,48,900 divided by labor hour rates. We don't know where about the labor hour rates, then keep it as a blank. Next 80% is equals to, then total cost of 80%, 3,72,000. Here 3,72,000 divided by total labor hours, given labor hours 2,48,000 for 80%, 2,48,000. 3,72,000 divided by 2,48,000, it comes to rupees 1.5. This is for 80% capacity, 1.5 labor hour. Per hour we need to pay 1.5 rupees. Next 90% total cost 3,95,100 divided by, we don't know where about the labor hour rate. Given labor hour rate for 80% capacity. And now calculate the labor hour rate of labor hours for 70% and calculate labor hours for 90%. Then here calculation of labor hours, direct labor hours, working note number 4. Working note 4, calculation of direct labor hours. Direct labor hours. Then for 80 percentage, the base is 80. For here, for 80 percentage, 2,48,000 that is given. Then for 70 percentage need to calculate here. 2,48,000 into, we want 70, the base is 80. 2,48,000 into 70 divided by 80 comes to, then here 2,17,000. 2,17,000 hours. Here 2,48,000 hours. Here next for 90 percentage. 2,48,000 into 90 out of 80 means base is 80. Then 2,48,000 into 90 divided by 80, 2,79,000. 2,79,000 hours. Then here again come to the third working note, calculation of overhead rate. Then total cost 3,48,900 divided by 70 percentage labor hours are 2,17,000 divided by 2,17,000. 3,48,900 divided by 2,17,000, 1.6. 1.6. Then this is for 70 percentage. Next, come to the 90 percentage. 3,95,100 divided by labor hours are 2,79,000. 2,79,000. 2,79,000. Then here 3,95,100 divided by 2,79,000. 1.41. 1.41. Here now write down overhead rates. For 70 percentage we have been calculated 1.6. Then for 80 percentage it is 1.5. For 90 percentage it is 1.41. Like that you have to calculate. Then if you are writing this these working notes with reference to the working note number, there is nothing have been deducted, marks nothing have been deducted from the evaluator. Then everything you need to show clearly. In working note number 1, what we are calculating, this much only. In examination 100% you are getting with the flexible budget problem. 100% definite, 100% damn sure about that you are getting with the flexible budget problem. This is about the exercise 2 of page number 392. In next class I will solve the next 15 marks problem. Thank you.